A square of 4 units by 4 units is divided into 4 raised to 2 squares, each of area 1 square unit. Find the number of ways in which 4 points can be chosen so that they form the vertices of a square whose sides are along the sides of the original squares. Now, we can draw a figure like this according to the given data. So we can see that we have divided the 4 units by 4 units and into 4 raised to 2 squares, that is 16 squares, each of area 1 square unit. So we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 squares are there. Now, in such kind of questions where basically we have to find the number of squares, the logic is very simple. Now, here we have 4 units by 4 units. That means we can say number of rows is 4 and number of columns is 4. So we can write it down as number of columns into number of rows. Okay. Now you can see that each of these 16 squares, it is of the dimensions 1 unit by 1 unit. So we have 1 unit by 1 unit, 4 by 4, that is 16 squares. Now, as we increase the dimension, so now if we want to count the squares with dimension 2 by 2, what we have to do is subtract 1 from each of the column and row. So 4 minus 1, we get 3, and 4 minus 1, again we get 3. So this becomes 3 3s are 9. Again, if we increase the dimension of the square, that is 3 by 3, the number of rows and columns again gets reduced. So 3 minus 1, we get 2, and 3 minus 1, again we get 2. So 2 2s are 4. And last, 4 by 4 square, that would be 1 by 1. 1 into 1, that is 1. That is the outermost square. So you can see that is a 4 by 4 square. So let's count the number of squares now. So 16 plus 9, 25 plus 4, 29 plus 1, 30. So answer comes as option D, 30.